2001 Town and Country. This has the 3.8 in it. Symptoms of bad starter. Turns out that is what's going on. So I'll show you guys. There's two 15mm bolts that hold the starter on. Starter's at the bottom. So jack your car up. Make sure you got a jack stand under it. This is where your starter will be at, right there. You got two positive cables. Make sure to disconnect your battery, by the way. You got two positive cables that run from either side and connect on here with what will usually be a 13mm nut. Alright, then you got a plug here, just like that, and that is your wire that engages your solenoid. Another thing to note is you got two ground cables that go on the bolt that is farthest up on your starter. So let me see if I can get in here, show you guys where it bolts on. Okay, so let's see if I can turn this. You guys can see it. All right, see, there's your bottom bolt. Then up here, see that hole right there? That's your other 15mm, and it's harder to access, but you can access it with a small ratchet with probably like a 3-inch extension and a 15mm socket. So that one right there, you'll have these two cables, ground cables, with that bolt going through it. So take that one off first, since it's the hardest to get to. And then that's your other one. Once you got those two bolts off and that 13mm here, make sure you use a wire brush and clean all these connections. You may have to take this plastic piece off to get to it. These look dirty because they're kind of worn, but they're actually clean. That's just where the copper's aged. They were much dirtier beforehand, which probably caused the starter to wear out quicker. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Make sure your connections are good. Use some electrical grease. Then make sure all your cables going to your battery are good as well. And that's how you replace a starter on a 2001 Town and Country.